Take a ride in the 2027 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, compass, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.